Mike Walton, former Sportsman winning driver, by the way. Only a brief time in Sportsman, boy, I got to say, he really did catch on well. Since then, and actually at the same time, he bought Fast Line Performance, and he has been running that since then. What, about 10 years now? Something like that?
Yeah,
okay.
Give or take.
He is here at the Northeast Racers Auction and Trade Show. How's it been going so far?
Good. It's been a good show. More or less come here to pick up a bunch of parts from vendors and pick up shocks and just, talk to customers.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What is the main thing we're doing now? Is it shocks, or have we gotten into some other things as well?
It's mainly shocks. I actually just recently sold my pull-on machine.
Oh, you did?
I haven't used it in 3 years. It's just I don't have enough time. It takes a whole day to do it. So if I take a day to do that, I lose about 2 days worth of shocks. It's just not worth it for me in the long run.
Okay.
So I sold that to a friend of mine that is going to use it for racing a different car, but I'm not going to say much yet. But he'll have it out soon. So, but it'll be good for him and his business. So
okay.
It's a good tool. Just I don't have enough time to do everything.
Okay. What is it that are you basically rebuilding shocks all day long, pretty much?
Yep.
All day, every day?
All day, every day.
Okay.
Year round. We have about 2 weeks of slow time, and after that, the winter time is actually busier than the summertime.
Really?
Yeah, just people rebuilding, and so we have about two weeks of slow time, which really isn't slow. It leaves you enough time to clean
that's
the
during the
garage
summer,
up and
or
usually. End of October, beginning of November is the slowest part, and then we got the show, and I think we delivered almost 80 shocks already that people have already sent in that picked up here at the show.
Really?
So, people are realizing that it's going to cost the same no matter when you have it done. You might as well just get them done sooner, and it's been busy. This is our third load that we've already brought out to the truck, so I'll bring home a couple hundred shocks just for
That's interesting. So it's not like you're here to generate more business. You're almost using this as a post office box.
Yeah, exactly.
In reality,
that's
right?
Really what it is. I pick up. We're building some new cars for customers at the garage, so I'm picking up a bunch of stuff from that, and dropping off shocks that I've already got done for next year, and picking up shocks that people have already dropped off, getting ready for next year.
Yeah, and they want to come here to see other stuff anyway.
Yeah, it works
so
out
it's
good.
a one-stop shop for them, and
way.
they get their shocks. And how many people are picking up, and how many people are dropping off? About the same?
More dropping off.
Okay.
But, like I said, I think we had like 80 that I brought just to pick up that I've already dropped.
So the UPS and the people like that, they know your place very well, huh?
Yeah, twice a day.
Twice a day?
Yeah,
and you always have something for them?
Pick up and drop off every day.
Did you see yourself being in this position 15 years ago? Lance,
no.
don't run away. Here, grab him. Camille, go tackle him.
I guess if you told me, even when I was a kid, that this is what I would have, I guess.
Well, did you want to be a race driver?
Not really. I don't even know why I did it when I did it, really. Just something I kind of wanted to try, and I had a...
Well, you just wanted to find out if you could do it, basically?
Yeah, we were successful for a short amount of time. I was lucky that we were able to do it, and just decided business is way better on the other side than it is driving.
Well, they say, like with age, regret is a horrible thing. At least now you know that you did do it. You got some great stories.
I did it.
And
I don't know how I did it when I did it, with the time and the money and everything.
Well, did that help your reputation a little bit too, I would think?
I don't know.
I mean, I'd rather buy shocks from a winning driver than a guy who's never been anywhere near victory lane, right?
I got lucky a few times.
No, but am I right, though, that is a thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? I mean, I don't want to buy some shock from somebody who's never qualified, and I wouldn't buy an engine from somebody who's out there smoking all the time.
And that's the other thing too. Like, we're lucky. People look at our customers win a lot, but I'm also lucky to have some of the best drivers too. So
that's true.
And it makes me look good, but I do have the best drivers. So I feel that it makes me look a little bit better.
Absolutely. How can people get a hold of you?
Just cell phone is 315-272-6047. Call or text me on that. Facebook.
Did you have a Fast Line Performance page on Facebook?
Yep,
and you check that a lot, so they can message you there.
Yeah, it goes right to my cell phone. So I'm a one-man band, so
there you go.
I do that too. So.
Well, so am I, because there is advantages to doing it yourself. At least you know the work's getting done right.
My wife says I'm hard to work for because
are you?
Nobody does it the right way. So.
So maybe it's best that you are a one-man band.
Exactly.
So she's not getting a job working for you anytime soon,
She does
is
a great job with the books, and I let her do that part, and I will do the work itself. So.
Say hi to Mom for me, okay?
Yeah, I will. Thank you.
Good to see you, man.
Thanks.
Again, Fastline Performance. Look them up, guys. Maybe your shock package isn't what you need it to be. Check this guy out here. Feature winner in the Sportsman division, so he knows what he's doing. Yeah, I know, but still, I like to throw that in there, because if I didn't get a reaction from you, Mike, I wouldn't do it.
Right,
you know,
exactly.
So there you go. Take care of yourself. Have a great Thanksgiving.
Thanks, you too.